4.
Thanks for being with us on the News at 4. I'm Joe Paris. We'll start with our top story. The man accused of kidnapping and killing Michael Vaughan is back in the state of Idaho. He appeared in a Payette County courtroom this morning. Our Aspen Shumpert was there for Stacey Wondra's arraignment. She joins us live outside the courthouse. Aspen, we know that court records were finally unsealed today, detailing new information about the case.
Right, that's right, Joe. And those documents were released to the public today because he did appear in court. We're going to get to that in just a minute. But first, look at Stacey Wondra's booking photo from the Payette County Jail. He appeared today, like I said, again, this is where he's being held in the Payette County Jail without bail after being extradited back to Idaho from Arizona, where he was serving time for unrelated charges. Wondra appeared virtually from jail for his 10-minute arraignment today. He's charged with first-degree murder, second-degree kidnapping, destruction of evidence, and a persistent violator charge. As we previously reported, law enforcement served Wondra's arrest warrant related to the disappearance and death of then 5-year-old Michael Vaughan. He went missing in July of 2021 from outside his home in Fruitland. As Joe mentioned, a newly released probable cause affidavit filed in June lays out the interviews following Michael's disappearance. Again, during these initial searches, police say canines tracked Michael sent to the fence line of the home where Stacey Wondra, his wife Sarah, and their 2 roommates, Brandon Shurtleff and Adrian Lucien, lived. All 4 of those individuals have been named people of interest in Michael's disappearance. One of Michael's neighbors told police they saw Michael riding a bike outside of the Wondra's home the day that he disappeared. Another neighbor said they saw that same tricycle at the Wondra's home during a garage sale months before Michael disappeared. The Wondras initially denied any involvement, but then in November of 2022, Stacey asked to meet with investigators. The PCA states Stacey claims he was home the night Michael was allegedly abducted and saw Sarah carrying Michael into the house. Stacey allegedly told police it was Adrian's idea to take a child to sell for money, and they would get a $10,000 cut. Stacey claims Sarah told everyone to, quote, follow her lead. Stacey told investigators they took him to Brandon's mother's home in Kuna that night, where they left Michael overnight. Stacey claims the other 3 returned to Brandon's mom's house the next day and brought Michael back to the Wanderers' home in Fruitland. Stacey told police Michael was not alive, and Sarah and Adrian buried him in the Wanderers' backyard. 2 days after Stacey's interview with police, they executed a search warrant and excavated the Wanderers' backyard. The affidavit says cadaver dogs alerted to the same area where Stacey told detectives Michael's body was buried, but to this day, Michael has not been found. Law enforcement hasn't announced charges related to Sarah, Brandon, or Adrian. Now, Michael's mom, Brandy Neal, was in the courtroom today for today's hearing. She tells me that she is happy that Stacey is back in Idaho and hopes he will tell them where Michael is. She thanked law enforcement and the prosecutor and urged anyone who knows anything to contact law enforcement so they can bring Michael home. Joe, today the judge did set a preliminary hearing for Stacey Wondra back here at the courthouse on December 16th. We will continue to cover this years-long case and give you updates along the way.
A lot to be uncovered and revealed publicly for the first time. Aspen Shumpert for the live report. Thank you so much.